New Orleans has this sort of magnetism that, for better or for worse, it sucks you in.
I know people think of us as like this partying city with these festivals and Mardi Gras. When you have a city that has a 300-year-old history, there's definitely a lot of things to celebrate. There's a joy about it. There's also so much heartache.
The house on Pacific, like the people of New Orleans, is resilient.
It's fallen in disrepair over the past 15 years, but it's a very unique house.
I mean, it's gonna be a lot of work. It's gonna be challenging.
It always is.